Children, it is activity page 23 for day 21. It is a activity about the LSA, TSA and volume of cube and cuboid. First, take the cube. You know the formula to find the lateral surface area of cube. LSA of cube equals 4a square units. Here a is the edge of the cube. By using this formula, children find the lateral surface area of the given cube with given edge. First you take, it is a cube and edge of a cube is given and square of a edge and LSA of the cube. So first one, here edge is 2 centimeter. A equals 2 centimeter. Then find the square of the edge, that is 2 square. 2 square means 4. 2 into 2, that is 4. Then LSA equals, you know, that is 4a square. 4 into a square. 4 into a square means 4 into this 4. 4 into 4 is equals to 16 cm square. The next one, here the edge is 3 centimeter. Here you write 3 and write 3 square. 3 square equals 3 into 3 equals 9. And 4 into a square means 4 into 9 you will get 36 cm square. Similarly, here a equals 1.5. In the place of a, write 1.5. Here 1.5 and 4a square. Here you take a square. A square means 1.5 into 1.5. You will get 2.25. Then LSA equals 4a square. That is 4 into 2.25. You will get the lateral surface area of the cube with edge 1.5 centimeter. Then here a equals 1 centimeter. Edge of the cube is 1 centimeter. Right here a equals 1 centimeter and 4a, here a square you take and 4a square. Then edge is 10 centimeter. Here a equals 10 centimeter. A square means 10 square, that is 100. Then 4 into a square, 4 into 100, you will get 400 square units. Then about the total surface area of a cube. TSA of cube equals 6a square unit. Here also a is the edge of the cube. So here cube is given, edge of a cube is given and square of a edge you get. Then TSA of cube. TSA of cube is equals to 6a square. Now take the first one. Here the edges are 2. So write 2 here. 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. Then here TSA means 6a square. 6 into 4 equals 24 cm square. Then next one you take 3 cm. Same measurement. You write 3 centimeter here. Then here a square means 3 square. 3 square is 9. Then 6a square. 6 into 9, that is 54 cm square you will get. Again here a equals 1.5 centimeter. Find a square and 6a square. Then a equals 1 centimeter. Write 1 here and a square means 1 square. Then 6 into 1 square, that is 6 into 1 you will get. Then a equals 10 centimeter. 10 square 100. 6 into 100 you will get, that is 600 square units. Like this way find the total surface area of all these cubes with given edge. Next you take volume of a cube. What is the formula to find the volume of a cube? V equals a cube cubic units. Here a is the edge and with the given edge find the volume of the cube. Here the cubes are given and edge of a cube is given and it is cube of a edge, then volume of a cube. So you take here a equals 2 centimeter. Then its cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So V equals 8 cm cube. That is the volume of the cube with edge 2 centimeter. Then find the volume of the cube with edge 3 centimeter. Here you write 3 centimeter and 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 cube equals 27 you will get. That is the volume of the cube, 27 cm cube. Similarly, a equals 1.5 centimeter. Write 1.5 centimeter here and 1.5 into 1.5 into 1.5, that is the cube of 1.5 and write that cube of 1.5 with cm cube. Then here A equals 1 centimeter, right? 1 centimeter here, 1 cube, 1 into 1 into 1, you will get 1. Then 1 cm cube is the volume. Next, you take A equals 10 centimeter, right? 10 centimeter here, 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000 cm cube is the volume of the given cube with edge 10 centimeter. Then you take about cuboid. That is the formula to find the lateral surface area of cuboid is LSA equals 2H into L plus B square units. Here cuboids are given, their edges are length, breadth and height are given, and here you write the L equals B equals H equals, and here in the formula 2H is there, L plus B is there. So in the first column you find 2H and in the next column you find LSB, and the product of these two becomes the lateral surface area of the given cuboid. So here take the example, L equals 4 centimeter, H equals 2 centimeter and B equals 1 centimeter. You write here L equals 4 centimeter, B equals 1 centimeter and H equals 2 centimeter. Then 2H means 2 into H, H is 2 centimeter, so 2 into H is 4 centimeter, and L plus B, L is 4 centimeter and B is 1 centimeter, the sum is 5 centimeter. The product of these two is nothing but 2H into L plus B, so you will get 4 centimeter into 5 centimeter is equals to 20 cm square. For this cuboid, you take L equals 2 centimeter, H equals 1 centimeter and B equals 6 centimeter. Here L is 2 centimeter, B is 6 centimeter and H is 1 centimeter. Find 2H. Where is H? Here this is H. 2H means 2 into 1 and L plus B. L plus B means 2 plus 6 you will get. 2 plus 6 is here 8. So then product of these two, 2 into 8, you will get 16 cm square. Similarly, take this one here. This for this cube, here you take this is L. L equals 15 centimeter. This is B. B equals 12 centimeter, and this is H. H equals 5 centimeter. You write here. After that, find 2H. 2H means 2 into 5. And find the sum of L and B, L plus B, that is 12 plus 15 plus 12, you will get 27. 27 into 10, you will get 270 cm square. Then next here, L is 1 centimeter. Then for this cube, you take L is 1 centimeter, B is 1 centimeter and H is 3 centimeter. Write L, B, H here, then find 2H. And here, find L plus B, the product of these two will come here with the square units. Then next one you take, here this is L and this is B, this is H. L you write 8 centimeter and B you write 3 centimeter, H you write 6 centimeter. Find 2H and L plus B and their product becomes the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Lateral surface area of the cuboid. Next about the total surface area of cuboid. Then what is the formula to find the total surface area of the cuboid? TSA equals total surface area of cuboid equals 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Here L, B and H are the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. Here cuboids are there and measurement of L, B and H are there, and you get LB, BH, HL. After that, the sum of LB plus BH plus HL is to be multiplied by 2. That is the total surface area of the cuboid. Now you take first one. Here L equals 4, B equals 1, H equals 2. Right? L equals 4, H equals 2 and B equals 1. That is L equals 4, B equals 1 centimeter and H equals 2 centimeter. Here you write L equals 4 centimeter and B equals 1 centimeter and h equals 2 centimeter, and get L into B, that is 4 centimeter into 1 centimeter equals 4 centimeter square. BH 1 centimeter into 2 centimeter equals 2 centimeter square. Then HL 2 centimeter into 4 centimeter, 2 4 is 8 cm square. Then 2 into 4 plus 2 plus 8, 4 plus 2 plus 8. So 2 into sum of these 4, 2 and 8 is 14, 2 4 is 28 cm square. Similarly, take the second one. Here L equals 2 centimeter and B equals 6 centimeter and H equals 2 centimeter. Write the measurement here and find LB, BH, HL, then 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And here you take the next cuboid. L equals 15 centimeter, H equals 5 centimeter and B equals 12 centimeter. That is L equals 15 centimeter, B equals 12 centimeter and H equals 5 centimeter. Write here L, B and H. Find LB, BH, HL and 2 into sum of that LB plus BH plus HL. Next one you take, this is L, B and H. Right here. Find LB, BH, HL, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then you take, this is L and this is B, this is H. Find the, write L, B and H. Find here LB, BH plus HL, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Next you take the volume of a cuboid. What is the formula to find the volume of a cuboid? That is V is equals to L into B into H, length into breadth into height. Here you take the cuboid, the value of L, value of B and value of H, and V equals L into B into H. Here you note that L equals 4, B equals 1, H equals 2. Here 4, 1 and 2. Then their product 4 into 1 into 2, 8 cm cube. Next you take here L equals 1 centimeter, L equals 2 centimeter, B equals 6 centimeter, H equals 1 centimeter. Write L, B, H and their product. 6 into 1 into 2 you will get here 15 into 12 into 5. Then L equals 15 centimeter, B equals 12 centimeter, H equals 5 centimeter. L, B, H, the volume 15 into 12 into 5. Next you take L equals 1 centimeter, B equals 3 centimeter, H equals 1 centimeter. Write L, B, H and their product becomes the volume. Here you take L equals 8 centimeter, B equals 3 centimeter and H equals 6 centimeter. Write L, B, H and the product becomes the volume.